Hi and welcome to Tarneit Station. I'm about to go into the city of Melbourne. It's a Sunday morning, it's very quiet, which is always good. And I just kind of look around for a bit. I'm actually meeting my nieces from interstate, so they're going to meet me in town. We're going to do some stuff and I'm going to tour around. And I'll just show you what I see. That's it, let's get on a train. Oh no, they've replaced the trains with buses. Wonderful. These replacement buses go to Leverton, but I can drive to Leverton rather than wait for the bus. So I'm going to drive to Leverton and then catch the train into the city. That makes sense. Okay, made it to Leverton Station. So now we're going to find out whether I've got a train or not, or whether I'm going to have to do more hacking of things. I was waiting there for a sec that the doors weren't going to open. Okay, let's see. 1 in 16 minutes, platform 1. Okay, we've made it into the city finally, and it's fairly quiet. I'm used to the city being much more busy than it is on a Sunday morning. So let's get to Melbourne Central. Okay, we made it into the city, which is kind of cool. We're just walking down towards Melbourne Central now. There's lots of little cafes in here, it used to be the post office, but it's not now. It's got little shishi cafes lining it and other things like that. See? Used to be the PO. And now they've got these cafes, which is kind of nice. But I've had breakfast and I'm not having it twice. So I'm going to sneak through some shishi shopping centres to Melbourne Central and the Shot Tower. Let's fast forward. There's nothing quite as creepy as a closed shopping centre, but I'm just going through it to where I need to go. Apparently the tennis is on in Melbourne, so they're doing a lot of this kind of stuff. Tennis branding. It's not my bag, but we're almost at Melbourne Central, which is just across the road. See, very quiet in Melbourne this morning. Okay, made it to Melbourne Central and the shot tower. I'm going to show you the shot tower. First off, got a chicken and other decorative objects and the sun rising. And up there is the shot tower. Way up there. Let me walk forward a bit so you get a bit of a fuller view of it. There it is. It's now got one of the things that I lust after, a DJI shop in it. But I'm going to hang around here. I'm going to be meeting the fam. There's the rear view, including this big watch. And you can look up here as well and see all the different layers of things. It's quite impressive, and it's actually a little warm too. I think they haven't fixed the air conditioning a bit.